The majority of my course will be done with a command line. I certainly understand if you feel a bit intimidated by using the command line, especially if you have never used it before. However, I will walk you through step by step each command along the way. There's nothing wrong with using a graphical client, but I firmly believe starting off with a command line is the best way to learn Git. So, you might wonder why, or perhaps even think the command line is a step backwards. Here are my reasons. First, there is a strong history with the command line in Git. It was originally designed as a command line tool, and graphical clients came later. As a result, new features make it onto the command line well before they are integrated into a graphical client. For me, one of the most compelling reasons is the online help. Nearly all online assistants, websites, blogs, or other tutorials use the command line as the standard way of communicating how Git does something. There are dozens of graphical clients, but everyone has the same commands in Git, with only a few fringe exceptions. Also, the command line has more power. Most graphical clients only implement the core or common commands, but leave off some very powerful options. Only the command line provides all the raw power of Git. Much like my online help argument, going command line allows me one set of commands in Git that will work on Windows, the Mac OS, and even Linux. I will point out any commands, Git or otherwise, that are unique to a platform.